I invite you to close your eyes and just cast your eyes softly, gently down. Allowing yourself to bring in a nice deep breath of loving energy. And then releasing anything that's feeling tight inside of your body. Within each inhale, allow streams of light, whatever color you want that to be. Maybe it's gold, maybe it's purple, maybe it's white, or could be a combination of any color that you feel drawn to. Allow it to begin to fill your whole body. Just noticing this gentle swirling of energy, filling you. And then begin to scan your body and notice, where is there some tight contractions? Where does an energy still live inside of you that is maybe an imprint of trauma? Some kind of a blockage? And then when you feel that, with your heart, allow yourself to connect to this energy of either source energy, the Divine Mother, whatever you feel most drawn to. And just ask for more energy, more of this light, healing light, to come in and to fill, having the energy being that's tight and contracted and blocked or trauma to be released and to be removed from you and to be replaced with this beautiful light, healing light. Ismararidoku, kariasidoku, arisimida, kariadoku. Kirasuma kariadoku, kiradasomararidoku. Breathing it in and breathing out. Noticing your self expanding if you can. And feeling the pulsation of your heart. And then allowing your awareness to drop down into the center of Mother Earth. And to begin to feel this beautiful connection to Mother Earth, to Gaia Sophia, who is a living being with a state of consciousness. She is our mother. She is Mother Earth. We are her children. Each one of us chose to come here to be with her at this time. I rise up with you. Rising up, rising up, rising up. Elevating and expanding. Remembering. Knowing how much she loves you. She's been waiting for you to remember. As we expand our consciousness, as we move through these shifts, move into a new timeline, into a new experience. Experiencing heaven on earth. That means Mother Earth needs to be part of this experience with us. We're not ascending anywhere. We're trying to actually bring our energy down into Mother Earth and become one with her energy. feeling her heart beating, the pulse. And if you can't feel the heartbeat and you can't feel the pulse, that's okay. Trust in time, though. With repeated practice and coming to actually Mother Earth, the best time for us to connect to her beautiful energy, ancient mother, the primordial mother, the mother that is here for all of her children at this time, is the first thing in the morning. Connecting with her, allowing her to ground you, to root you, to anchor you in, to begin to experience her. You know, it's so amazing that each one of us has been, I think we forgot that she's part of this sacred experience. Everything's been outside and focused on ascending. To ascend, we have to descend first into Mother Earth. We're not trying to escape ourselves in this lifetime. Many of us have in previous lifetimes taken on roles where we've, our consciousness has left us many, many times. This lifetime, we're here to fully embody the experience of remembering that we are divine, that Mother Earth is here to hold all of us, all of her children. To begin to commit to this beautiful, sacred relationship with Mother Earth. Her voice wanted to be heard today. She wants us to be aware that she's always been there for us. And we just need to remember. So whenever you catch yourself separating, you forget. Not only do you connect with your breath, but now you bring your awareness down into the center of Mother Earth. And feel her. It's almost like the cocoon, the womb of Mother Earth holding you, keeping you safe, tending to you, her child. And in the darkness, the light is revealed. What will be revealed to you? Now bringing your awareness back to the center of your heart. And then we want to connect to the cosmos as well, because that's part of our experience. But the first thing we want to always honor and remember is that we chose Earth for our incarnation. So even though we may want to feel the call to connect with our star families, with our galactic families, with just the divine energy, thinking it's outside of us, knowing the divine is never outside. Before we begin to connect to what we may begin to remember as our previous incarnations as star beings, we always want to remember to connect to Mother Earth first. She is our mother. And many, many, many of us have taken advantage of this and not treated Mother Earth with love, with care. And so we're going to remember this is part of the reason we're here. We signed up for this, to remember this, to be one with Mother Earth and to help her rise. And as she rises, she brings us with her in consciousness into this new experience. And then when we connect to our star families, our galactic families, to universal consciousness, we're drawing that in, but that's remembering that's always inside of us anyway. but it's what our mind needs to do at the beginning to feel the connection, is to go out to feel the connection. Eventually, though, all you will ever do is go into the heart. Bring your awareness to the heart, your consciousness to connecting, and instantly you will connect with all of these pieces, all of these parts. Anything that you feel drawn to and guided to by the divine lies within you first. So all of the things we desire to create, we desire to change, we desire whatever it is that you most desire. Understand that first, shift your energy. Please don't go outside in your mind and try to do it that way. Allow your mind, invite it into the heart. Come. Allowing the mind and the heart to merge, to become one. The heart mind. So really today what most wanted to be revealed was the connection to Mother Earth, is just really bringing your awareness, your consciousness to the fact that you did choose to come here. You did want to be part of this specific time when Mother Earth is ascending and she wants to bring all of her children, and yet not all of her children are going to go, because many people are going to get stuck in the resistance. She doesn't want you to be one of them. She wants you to know, okay, we connect in the heart, but first you can bring your energy down into the center of my being, and I will hold you in the womb of creation. Tending to all parts that have been wounded, whether you were in utero, whether you were an infant, you were a child, you were an adult, it doesn't matter. Just allowing the healing. Whatever that feels like for you. And then just bringing your awareness back to the fact that we are in this beautiful sacred space, and each one of us is beginning to remember more and more and more of our divinity, more of, that we each are the soul that said yes to this beautiful journey. We've all been drawn together for a reason, trusting that the divine has a hand in that, knowing that there is a reason that each one of us is here, and that we are all contributing, and each one of us is to have a voice. And you are very much loved and cherished, and just encouraged to keep remembering. Just remember. Breathe. When the mind starts to take you out, just pause and breathe and bring your awareness back into your body, back into the heart. And begin to allow yourself to connect to the Divine Mother, to Mother Earth. The primordial mother who is here for all of her children. The ancient mother. Whenever you're ready, you can light your candles.